In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. If your horizontal or vertical scroll bar suddenly disappeared, don't worry. This usually comes down to a simple display setting in Excel, and we can turn it back on in just a few clicks. Start by opening the workbook where the scroll bar is missing. At the top left corner of Excel, click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the app-level settings live. On the left side of this view, look toward the bottom and click Options. That opens the Excel Options window, which is where we'll adjust the display preferences for your workbook. In the Excel Options window, select Advanced from the list on the left. The Advanced section has a lot of settings, so we'll focus on the part that controls what you see in the workbook window. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Display Options for this workbook. If you see a drop-down at the top of this section, make sure it's set to the workbook you're currently fixing, so the changes apply in the right place. Now, look for the checkboxes labeled Show Horizontal Scroll Bar and Show Vertical Scroll Bar. Turn both of these on by checking them. The horizontal scroll bar lets you move left and right across wide sheets, and the vertical scroll bar lets you move up and down through long lists. If one or both were unchecked, that's why they vanished. Once those two boxes are checked, click OK at the bottom of the Excel Options window to save your changes and return to your workbook. Your scroll bars should appear immediately along the bottom and right edges of the Excel window. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. These settings are stored per workbook, so if you open another file and the scroll bars are missing there too, you'll want to repeat the same steps for that file. Also, interface labels can vary slightly across versions, but the path is the same. File, Options, Advanced, Display Options for this workbook, then enable both scroll bars and confirm with OK. And that's it. You've restored the scroll bars without changing anything else in your sheet. If you ever customize your view again and the bars go missing, you now know exactly where to switch them back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Excel workspace back to normal.